Imagine this. It's just another day on your factory floor. Machines humming, orders going out, everything running like clockwork. Then, suddenly, screens freeze, alarms blare, and production grinds to a halt. Your IT team scrambles, but it's too late. A cyber attack just shut you down. This isn't a tech horror story. For manufacturing SMBs like yours, it's a real growing risk. The manufacturing sector is massive, hundreds of billions in revenue, with SMBs making up over 90% of the industry. You are the backbone of global production, but also a prime target for cybercriminals. But why? Let's break it down. First, legacy systems. Those industrial control systems and PLCs weren't built for today's cyber threats. They're often unpatched, outdated, and have a readiness score of just 4 out of 10. Second, there's rapid digitalization. We're connecting more machines and devices than ever, yet security investments are lagging behind, leaving gaps wide open. Third, high attack volume. Attackers know all this. Contract manufacturing alone faces a 9 out of 10 attack score. Ransomware, ICS, PLC attacks, you name it. Fourth, regulatory complexity. Manufacturing faces regulatory complexity scores of 7-8 out of 10, requiring compliance with multiple safety, data protection, and cybersecurity standards. Fifth, supply chain vulnerabilities. Over 40% of industry revenue comes from SMBs, and supply chain infiltration is a top threat for component suppliers and precision toolmakers. And lastly, financial impact. Estimated annual losses from cyber attacks reach $3.8 billion for contract manufacturing alone, with total losses across major sub-industries topping $12 billion. That's not just money. That's halted production, damaged reputations, and even worker safety at risk. So what are the top threats? 1. Ransomware attacks that causing millions in downtime and recovery costs. 2. Supply chain attacks that use trusted partners as backdoors. 3. Malware that sneaks in through CAD or ERP software, derailing your designs and data. And lastly, firmware exploits that can jam your OT systems, putting physical safety on the line. With over 15 billion devices set to connect to the cloud by 2026, the attack surface is only getting bigger. But here's the good news. You can fight back without needing a giant IT team or a giant budget. First up, start with network segmentation. Keep your OT and IT systems separate. Next, regularly update and patch all devices, including those old machines still running on your floor. Then, set up robust access controls. Think multi-factor authentication and strict permissions. Don't forget to train your employees. Most breaches start with a simple phishing email or social engineering trick. Most importantly, create a solid incident response plan. Last but not least, audit your supply chain partners for their own security standards. And here's where Value Aligners steps in. We offer AI-driven threat intelligence, compliance automation, and modular training tools, built specifically for manufacturing SMBs. Start with a free assessment to pinpoint your unique risks. Get clear, impartial recommendations, and implement solutions that actually fit your business. No overselling, no tech jargon. Don't wait for disaster. Secure your craft. Protect your future. Try Value Aligners' free assessment tools today and see exactly where you stand. Have you faced a cyber incident at your business? Drop your story in the comments. Let's learn and protect together.